To copy a file or folder from one drive to another drive, follow these steps. First, double click the computer icon given on the desktop. It will show different drives that are in the computer. Here we have C drive, D drive and E drive. Now double click the drive from where you want to copy the file or folder. Then you will see all the files and folder in that drive. Here we have class 6 computer file. Okay, a file is there named class 6 computer. Right click on it. A menu will appear. From the menu, select copy and then go back. Open up a new drive by double clicking on it, and then in the blank area, right click the mouse. A menu will appear. Select paste from that menu and the file will be copied to this new drive. Here you can see class 6 computer. This file is showing here. So this is how you copy a file from one drive to another drive. If you go back to the previous drive, you will see that the original file is still here. So when you copy any file or folder to another drive, the original remains in its place. To move a file from one drive to another drive, follow these steps. First, double click the computer icon that is given on the desktop. It will again show the drives that we have. We have C drive, D drive and E drive. Open up the drive from where you want to move the file. Now here we have a file named class 6 computer. Right click on it and then select cut from the menu. Go back, open up the new drive by double clicking on it, and in blank area right click the mouse. A menu will appear and from the menu select paste. Here you can see class 6 computer. Here the file is appeared here. Now if you'll go back to the previous drive from where you had here, the file is not there. So when you cut and paste a file from one drive to another drive, the original file is moved from its place and it appears in the new drive. So this is how you move a file or folder from one drive to another drive. To copy file or folder from computer to a storage device or a pen drive, we have to connect the pen drive to the USB port. So to show you, first we'll open up the computer by double clicking on the computer icon given on the desktop. Now you can see the drive C, D and E. Now I'm connecting pen drive to the computer. Now it is showing with the drives. Here pen drive is here. So now open up D drive by double clicking on it. There is a folder named school. Right click on the folder. Menu will open. Select copy from the menu. Go back. Then open up pen drive by double clicking on it, and then in the blank space you have to right click the mouse. A menu will open. In that menu select paste. the folder appears here. But when you'll go back to the D drive from where you copied, the school folder is still there. So when you copy and paste, the original file or folder remains in its place and it is still saved in your computer. So this is how you copy file or folder from computer to pen drive. Now we'll see how to move a file or folder from computer to storage device or pen drive. First we'll open up computer by double clicking on the computer icon given on the desktop. Now I'll connect the pen drive to the computer. It is showing here now. So first we'll open up D drive. From D drive we can see a folder named school. We'll right click on it. Menu will appear. From the menu, select cut option. Go back, open up pen drive, right click on the blank area and select paste. The folder appears here. It is named school. Now when we'll go back to D drive, we'll open it and see the folder named school is not here. So when you cut and paste, the file or folder is removed from the drive of the computer and it is moved to the pen drive. So this is how we move file or folder from our computer to the pen drive or a storage device. Working with multiple programs or applications. In computer, you can work with more than one type of software at the same time. Like for example, you can play music, and at the same time you can also do your typing work. So this is how in computers you can work with multiple programs or applications at the same time. And if you need to search anything, you can, there's a search box here given in the taskbar. Just click on it and type whatever you want to search. Like I'm searching for a file named computer class, and it is showing here. Just click on it and it will open and you can see it. So this is how you can work with multiple programs at the same time, and also now you can search by clicking on the search bar and typing whatever file name that you want to open up.